So, Kling 3.0 is officially out right now, and this thing is just insane because it can generate insanely realistic AI videos. And I'm talking about full AI influencer videos, where you can generate the get ready with me videos, lifestyle vlogs, and you can even generate 1 minute to 2 minutes long videos. And just like Sora 2, it supports the multi-angle shots right now, but it even outperforms Sora 2 in terms of realism and character consistency. Now, you might be thinking that Kling only generates 15 seconds long video clips, but we're going to extend our videos with just a simple prompting technique. So, I'm very excited. Let's dive in. So, first of all, I would like to show you some results that I managed to get out of it. So, this is almost 30 seconds long video. She's getting ready. And these are multi-angle shots, transitions, and different cuts in it. But we achieved these results with just a simple line of prompt. And using this simple technique, you can generate some short vlogs or get ready with me videos that actually works on the Instagram. Now to use this, I'm going to head over to the SDN AI, and from the tools section, I'm going to go ahead to the video section, and from here, let's select the Kling 3.0 image to video. And the reason I'm using the SD AI, that it makes the multi-shot very simple. So you just have to turn it on, and you can generate all of different multiple shots in just one prompt, so you don't have to type every shot separately. Now to use this, obviously, you need to have your A influencer image. So in my case, I'm using this image of my A influencer. So she's simply sitting in her room. So I'm going to simply upload it. Now the main thing here is the prompting. And for that, we're going to get some help from the ChatGPT, and we're going to give it a detailed prompt. I'm using its voice command feature, HIGPD generator prompt for 30 to 40 seconds long UGC-style video, where she's getting ready for the university. Make sure that we are using the Kling 3.0. This model only supports 15 seconds long video with the multi-short capability. So you have to give me 3 different prompts and make sure to split each prompt into 2 to 3 second shots. Make sure that the camera angles doesn't change. The point of view remains the same. Even the lighting conditions remains consistent. And then the CHP will give you a detailed prompt with every single shot mentioned in each prompt with the timestamps. Now we're going to simply copy this, and we're going to head back to the Sora AI. Paste it over here, and you can also make changes. If you want to change any short, you can just remove it or type your own prompt. That's up to you, but I'm okay with this one. Then make sure to enable the multi-angle shot, and maximum duration 15 seconds. And let's hit generate. Alright, so here is the output. She starts with a very subtle smile, then she starts putting on some makeup, and there are some issues. You can see a third hand in this one, but we can fix this thing in the post-production. Then same goes with the next video. We're going to copy this prompt and paste it over here. Now we're going to compare this with the Sora 2, because right now Sora 2 also supports the human images. So here is the video with the Sora 2, and here is the side-by-side comparison between both of these tools. And you are the judge. You can tell which one is performing better. In my opinion, the Kling 3.0 is a king over here because it maintains the realism, but in terms of the Sora 2, it adds some kind of plasticky face to it that I don't really like. Now, here's one more video using the same prompt technique. And look at that, man. This actually looks realistic. Yes, there are some minor flaws that we're going to fix later in the videos, but look at that, man. Now, here's one more output where she is eating at restaurant, and this one is also looking really good. Like, we have multiple different shots. The character remains consistent. Realism is there. Everything is super consistent. So once you have generated 2 or 3 different videos with the same prompting technique, continuing the same shot, now it's time to combine all of them together. So you can use any free video editor, just like the CapCut. And then we're going to import all of different clips over here. And we're going to simply edit the areas where we see some kind of flow. So in this case, you can see we have a third hand over here. So we're going to simply split this part and fixed. Right now, we're going to do this thing with all of different clips. So you just need to find the area where you find any kind of flow. So this is kind of a post-production. Everybody do that. So we're going to quickly drag all of these clips. We're going to split the area. And once we have it, we have the video over here. So using this simple prompt technique, you can generate realistic A-fencer videos with multiple shots. And SDAI makes it simple because it gives you one single button to make multiple shots without any extra work. So this was a very simple but effective technique to generate realistic AI influencer videos. I hope you like this video. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.